Drewski here. Just got an update. Jaco, Costa Rica. Jaco, Costa Rica. Just had an earthquake. 6.0. 6.0 earthquake. They get quite a few quakes out there, so it's not too uncommon out there. But 6.0 is a good side. It was just on the southwest coast of somewhere. I don't know. You have to look it up. San Martin, San Pablo, or something like that. But 6.0, possible tsunami warning has been issued. So keep your eyes and ears open if you hear anything, or if you felt it, leave it in the comments below if you watch this. And if not, then I hope you're enjoying your day. It's a beautiful day out here where I'm at. Dude over here doing a wheelie. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but there's a dude on a bike doing a wheelie. That's pretty sweet. Beautiful day though. It's 93 degrees. It's chilled off now a little bit. But that's what we got today. 6.0. Jaco, Costa Rica. That's all I got though. There he is. Do a wheelie.
What's up?
Do a wheelie. Yeah. See that? Hell yeah. I hope I got it. Alright, that's all I got though. Peace. Drewski out.